Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. Today I had this interesting case walker Carja Luggage set. Just arrived today, and I had this, and it's very fast, like less than 3 days when I shop in Shopee, and I got it for very cheap. Overall, it's like for 4 sets. There's 4 items actually. It's only about 260 ringgit after less in Shopee. So let's do unboxing. And before that, I want to look at the details. Come here. Yeah. So if you can see here, so there's 4 sizes: 28, 24, 20 and 12 inch. Okay, there's 4 variation color, but I get the black color. Okay, so there's a 1-year warranty also, and then if you see the price is 289. Okay, and Shopee now have if you spend 150 and above, you will get 25%, 25 ringgit off. So it's from official case walker. All right, and it's the same thing. Okay, details. Alright, if you're ready, let's do the unboxing. So it came with this box, inside this box. Alright, and ta-da! This is it. Nice, right? I'm gonna show you details. Inside video will be different, but in life it's really nice, the color and everything. So okay. With a lock, automatic lock. So this is 28 inch. When you open it, ta-da! There's another one. 24 inch. Wait. On both side. You see? Is it? Same thing. Yeah. And the other side is this one. Alright, it's about the same like other case. If you want to see how does it look like the zip. Yeah. If you kind of particular about the zip and then the design. So like this. Personally, it doesn't look really expensive. It looks like normal, but because of the outlook and the warranty, and we support local product. So yeah. Now I'm with the 24 inch of the luggage bag. So if you want to know when first it came, it will be 000. So that's a default number where you do open it like that, and then you're gonna set on your own number. Okay, now the 24-inch. Ta-da! Inside there's a 20-inch. It's small, but cute. It's also the same inside. Okay, and the wheel is nice actually. These two wheels, 360 degree. Okay. Hey, now it's time for 20-inch. That's what it is. And when you open it, yay! We have another small one. This is 12-inch. So cute. So I love it. Actually, to be honest with you, I never buy luggage bag like this one whole set, and then it's really amazing, and it looks expensive but it's very cheap. So I'm gonna leave the link below the video if you're interested to buy, and anything, just comment and also subscribe and like. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.